If you are seeking for the help of a professional to process your application, whom you are willing to pay for the services they will provide you, the very first thing that you have to make sure is whether or not you are dealing with an authorized paid representative. This page in CIC website lists down the professions who are allowed to be your authorized representative. So it can be lawyers and paralegals of good standing based on this website, or notaries of good standing for Quebec, or citizenship or immigration consultants who are members in good standing of the ICCRC, Immigration Consultants of Canada Regulatory Council. These consultants are also called RCIC, or Regulated Canadian Immigration Consultant. This part is very important. If you use an unauthorized representative in Canada or abroad, we may return your application or refuse it. So you see, your application will be red flagged if you hire a representative that is not authorized. That's how serious it is. Now, let's see how to check if the consultant you are dealing with is registered or not. So let's click this website, which will lead us to the homepage of ICCRC. There is a database that can be accessed by anyone for this purpose. Click Learn More. This is a public register that is being maintained by ICCRC and is a reliable source of information to check if the immigration consultant status is valid or not. Let's say, for example, you are recommended by your friend to this agency, Abayan Immigration Services. Just a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by this agency. This is just for example purposes. This agent is claiming to be registered with ICCRC logo and RCIC number indicated in his advertisement. Let's use the ICCRC website to verify. In this database, you can search using any of these keywords. So we can try to find his first and last name, type Abayan Glacerio, and then hit search. If he is indeed registered with ICCRC, the result will be displayed at the bottom part with his name, current status, which is active, contact information, and the consultant ID. So, since he is here in the public register, you are safe to use this consultant as a representative for your application to Canada. After checking that the representative is authorized by ICCRC, do your search about their credibility, whether online or through previous clients. You should take note that being registered is only one part of the equation. The consultant or lawyer's experience in the immigration field or his or her ability to communicate to you as a client are also important factors. Even though they are authorized, they can still overpromise and underdeliver. They will lie and tell unbelievable, amazing stories just to get your business. The moment they get your money, they will stop replying your emails or calls. That's why documentation is very important. Make sure you document all your transactions, and if you encounter this problem, you can always lodge a complaint with evidence included. In the end, it is up to you as a client to do a thorough research if the representative is worth your money.